what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another lovely YouTube video. Today's video is another kind of exciting video, but a little change of plans in the pace of the video. Today's video, I did have plans on doing a complete kind of 10th gen modified guide for you guys. I know a lot of people ask me questions on basically what to do to modify their 10th gen SIs to get like even just 300 horsepower. And so I was gonna do a video about that. That's what today's video is gonna be about. But we're actually gonna have to change the pace, unfortunately, because of the fact that you guys remember from previous videos, yes, we got the car back, but we're still running into a common issue that we had before, which is the SI shutting off when going full throttle. We finally broke her in, so we're at 1,000 miles, and unfortunately when I did a pull, the car shut down on me once again. So obviously this is a new engine. This is something that's commonly happened before, and I'm gonna say it's definitely something in the electrical field that we have to solve out, but it's actually not that bad, and we think we may have solved the issue. Now, the issue that we're thinking that it may be is actually the map sensors, and the reason being that I say that is because I'm actually running the Honda map sensors in this car. And when I kind of got the engine bay detailed, it did get a little wet, so that actually may be the issue and why it actually may be reading my air fuel ratios wrong when I do a wide open throttle full. So we're hoping that that will be the issue that we can fix. We're actually going to meet up with our boy Dustin, actually heading to go pick up Anthony's Type R. So we didn't really make a video about dropping off the car, but we are actually going to go pick up the Type R as well, if you guys remember Anthony. And he's getting his car back with a fully built block too. So today's video is just going to be a whole kind of exciting vlog again that we're just kind of doing, picking up another car, you know, fully built Type R coming out there too, and then hopefully getting the issue fixed for the SI so we can just get on her again and then go back to making that video that I was talking for you guys about. But other than that, we have a very busy day ahead of us. We're actually, as you guys can see, I'm kind of in my gym attire. So we're gonna head to the gym right now. We're gonna get some food after, hang out with a few friends before we have to go and leave actually this evening around 3, and then get the Type R, pick up the sensors, and hopefully be able to drive this SI full form once again. So let the day begin. Yeesh. You guys already know. Where's it at? Phong pack. Alrighty guys, so we're currently in the CRV. We're heading over. We got Anthony right here. You already know. You can tell by his excitement.
It's fun.
And then we got my girl in the back. So we're gonna get the Type R. We're gonna get its first start up. It's funny because like the video prior to this was me and the SI back, and now we're gonna get the Type R back on the road. Hopefully it starts.
Get the fuck out of here. Better start.
But it's you know, it's gonna be good because we're finally gonna get back both of our cars now officially back on the road. And I think one of the exciting things too that I think him and I realized prior is we never like really cruised much with both of our cars together.
I think one time.
Yeah, so I think throughout, I'm sure you guys can see throughout the YouTube videos too, majority of the time when we cruised with Anthony, my SI was in the shop, so I don't think our cars have really seen each other all that often. So it's gonna be kind of nice to finally have them back together, or well, for the first time. Yeah. Hey, whoa, hey. I swear, every time we go, we see a McLaren. There's one right there. I mean, we'll easily gap that, right? So we're currently about to arrive to Dustin's place right now. We're gonna get the map sensors and then head over to Eman, finally pick up the whip. Yeah. So we've been on the road for about, what, 3
hours?
3 hours?
Minutes, I think.
40?
3 hours and 40.
Jeez, so almost 4 hours. It has definitely been a long drive for us, and I'm just glad to get these map sensors, and then we have to drive 4 hours back, basically. Damn. Well, pop the hood. Let's see that beautiful engine. You want to start the car for us, or?
Yeah. I started taking it apart today.
Yeah? Woo! It's been a minute since I've seen this right here, man. Real nice.
It's full of fucking parts.
Yes, sir. So if you guys don't know, Dustin's SI, and if you've seen it in previous videos, unfortunately, once he got it kind of done, it was raining really bad and he hydro locked the whole thing. So this car is definitely being parted out. He's actually got a new project coming along here in the near future, and so Project SI for Dustin is going to be no more, sadly. But he is selling all the parts. All right, wait, have you sold all the parts?
The motor and transit's spoken for. The exhaust is... Really, the only thing left is the turbo kit. Everything else has already been...
Okay, so if anybody wants a PRL turbo kit, it is for sale. Ooh, sheesh, looks nice. It's the same thing as mine too, the 2060R.
Dirty as hell. I need to clean it. But
Yeah, but we're gonna pick up the map sensors from him. And you already took them out, you said?
Huh?
Oh yeah, you already took them out. Oh, thank you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See, this is what we came here for, boys. Brand spanking new, sort of. I hope they work. I hope this is the issue. This is what I'm really hoping is the issue. All right, so now that we got these in hand, though, these are the Honda 4 bars, because I know some people are going to ask questions about this. These are the map sensors. So, you know, this definitely detects your AFRs, your pressure, your boost pressure. And I don't have the stock ones anymore. I've been using the aftermarket Honda ones for being able to read more boost. If we need to go past anything, was it past 32?
31, 32, something
31,
like
32. So if I go back to my stock ones, my car's going to definitely trip out. So I had to get another pair of these. So hopefully these fix the issues. Oh, sick. Thanks, man. And again, thanks to Dustin, who's going to be sadly getting rid of this SI. So what's the next project, bro?
Not telling yet.
No? Secret? Oh, okay. Guess we're gonna keep that on the seat.
2020 Nissan Versa.
Yeah, so there's a little hint. But hey, I appreciate it, bro.
It's still gonna be Japanese, it's still gonna be 4 doors.
Okay.
Still gonna be turbo.
Dude,
there's your hint. 2020 Nissan
Nismo
Versa.
Sentra, dude.
Yeah, Nismo Sentra. But hell yeah. Alright, let me see. Right now. Alright, it's actually a STI, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I don't know how the heck this happened. We just came here to get the freaking 4-bar sensors, and then we're gonna go see the Type R. And Anthony's over here peeking at Dustin's SI, and now he has.
Dude, the CRB's about to be sick as fuck, dude.
Hey, but it's pretty dope. Is it? Wait,
yeah, dude.
is that universal? I guess it'd be the same.
Yeah,
Type R
10
and
gens,
SI,
yeah.
yeah.
It
It doesn't really make a difference. Jeez.
Hell yeah, dude.
On spot. On spot.
Yo, you'll see my steering wheel. It's fucked up. The suede's coming off.
That's why. So my original one was matte carbon and suede,
Yeah.
and I got rid of it for that because the suede just got fucked up.
Yeah, that's
When
why I want to get rid of
When
mine.
I drive, my hands get sweaty as hell, and it
Yeah,
ruined it.
same. That's why mine's ruined. That's why I was like, fuck, yeah, I need something else.
Oh, hey. Spontaneous buy for sure.
Fuck it, dude. It is what it is.
So the car's already done. Eman already went to go test drive and everything, so we're not gonna get like it going in like the whole process we did with the SI. But here she is, guys. The Type R is back. It is alive. How do you feel, Anthony?
Dude, should have pumped that hood instead.
Shoot. Yeah. But now it's a fully built block, so
I guess
now this guy's a built Type R.
It doesn't say K20 anymore. So
Oh, what the hell?
Oh yeah.
all the new blocks they don't have anything.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But here she is. Hey, start her up, bro.
Start up.
Yeah, start her up, man. She's alive. Oh yeah, and it's got a new clutch too.
Oh, dude, that's not bad at all.
Yeah?
No, it's not bad.
I thought it was gonna be heavy.
Woo!
Oh, damn, that's not.
Sounds healthy. She's alive. So what's the braking period? Just gotta drive 1,000 miles or
Yeah, I would do 1,000 miles. Where are you guys? Like, how many miles? Are you away?
140?
140.
Yeah.
Okay, so
And just heat
I
cycle
would
and
just
everything.
do an oil change as soon as you get home.
As soon as I get home?
Yeah,
Okay.
because you have an oil cooler too. It's like
Yeah.
old. I mean, we can't get everything out of there, so I would just do another oil change, and then after that, just another 1,000 miles.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna check out your clutch. Let me see how that feels. Does it? Woo! Type R is alive. Oh, actually, that's not bad. That's not bad at all, actually. Yeah. Very short though.
Yeah, you can feel where it's short, yeah.
Like there and out there. Wow. But I don't know if you guys missed the Type R too, but she's back as well, guys. Woo! Now this one is gnarly. So see this versus this. Now this one is pretty crazy. Obviously, you guys can tell by the Mickey Thompson on it. Oh yeah, you can turn it on too. Let's get it started. Woo! Now obviously this is like full race car, so it's aggressive.
Dude, fucking sick.
Now This one's obviously on Motec, and that's why it's standalone like this instead of with an intake and everything and the inlet piping. But you soon or what?
I don't know.
Alright, so aside from this pretty awesome Type R, this is crazy, especially, I mean, look at these Mickey Thompsons right here. These are huge on these welds right here. Oh man. That. I thought it would be awesome. I know you guys seen it in previous videos too, but showing Eman's car, especially with the Motec setup and everything. Currently, we're not going to go on a spin with it today, but we'll try to plan another day where we can go ahead and get a drive. Yeah, it has a dead battery, so he hasn't started it.
Lithium battery too, so I can't just like, charge it right now.
Yeah, so it's been definitely some time, but I wanted to show you guys one last time the setup and how beautiful this looks. We got the Motec, of course, and then of course just how beautiful this whole setup looks. Man, seeing this turbo actually compared to the one on the R.
Oh yeah, the one on the R is way bigger. Yeah, this is beauty.
That's crazy.
So we did, this is bigger.
Okay, so you guys went on a bigger hot side now. So is that going to introduce a lot more lag, or?
No, I mean, not that I could really feel, but we'll see once it's tuned.
What's the goal though with the bigger hot side versus
it's
what?
It's going to carry the power higher in the RPM.
Okay, nice.
Higher in
nice.
the RPM, and
are you
hopefully more boost.
Okay, are you shooting this at 8K right now or 7K?
No, 8K.
8K?
8K RPM.
Nice, nice. Yeah, this setup is really beautiful too.
Actually, this white car right here has my old turbos in it.
Oh, really?
It's kind of custom. Hey, Steven. Pop your hood. You might have seen it floating around on the internet.
Yeah? Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, with you got the Type R inlet too and everything?
It's like a big Type R.
Yeah. That's actually pretty nice. So what, does it have the Type R turbo too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Just
all Type R turbo, the inlet, and full bolt-ons basically. CTR retro too.
Did you guys already dyno it at all or no? Not yet?
Yeah. It makes like 360 on ethanol.
360 on ethanol?
Yeah,
Nice.
it made the same power as like one of those bolt-on VRL turbo kits.
Nice. Yeah, this setup was real nice.
Yeah, it's pretty old.
Oh, hey, there's the old pistons right there.
No, we're gonna toss them.
Oh, can I get them?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Your old block. Your old block.
You want to take your old block too?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Oh, nice.
That's it.
Oh, man. So this is basically what's in his right now.
Different rods and different pistons.
Oh, okay, with different rods and pistons.
Yeah. These are ultra pistons and boost line rods.
And so this is a K20, the same Type R engine, and this is going to go in
And that one.
in
In the
SI?
Yeah, eventually. Eventually.
Nice.
But like I was telling you, remember I told you they don't say anything?
Oh, yeah, dude. I didn't know that
It's
was
just
a
blank.
thing. So this is going in your car?
K20 swapped SI. Everybody keeps asking for one. Well, here it is. It's going to happen. Oh, actually, yeah. I seen one person do it.
They did
okay.
a cord one,
Was it an Accord one though? I don't remember.
Cord motor.
I know that they did a K20 though,
Yeah.
so, but not a built one. So this is going to be nice.
Yeah.
Good old memories right there, man.
Sick. Oh, yeah. Thanks to the box. Yeah. Dude.
All right, Type R is officially back. Hey. So we are going to be mobbing in the CRV. I'm not really going to vlog much on the way back home, obviously. I'm sure you guys don't want to see us drive all the way back home. But we're going to grab something to eat probably, and then head home probably tonight, maybe. Put on the new map sensors and just test out the SI. And so, yeah, officially back. Both the SI and the Type R, guys. It is. It's here. Jeez, bro, it's back! Hey. Heck yeah. Woo! Alright, so a little random fun fact. I've never had alcohol in my life. I've never drank alcohol, I've never had a sip, and that's a personal choice that I've made. I won't get too much into detail. This guy on the other
Dude,
hand.
he's lying. He's a recovering alcoholic. Dude, he's.
This guy on the other hand, he is trying to get me to drink alcohol. That's his alcoholic
Dude,
beverage right there.
That's alcoholic. This is a fucking. This is pineapple juice. Dude. I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
Yeah, that's bullshit. This, on the other hand, this is a strawberry citrus like lemonade. Yes, it does look like an alcoholic beverage. No, but it's not. But yeah, just a little fun fact. I don't drink alcohol.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, it's right here, bro. You didn't see the strawberry shot right here? Sheesh.
That's your chaser because why'd you squeeze the chaser in there?
You're stupid.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't drink alcohol. Little fun fact, I figured I added in there. We're grabbing something to eat, of course, and they're gonna be officially back on the road. Are we gonna? You think we're gonna get to the map sensors tonight?
Yeah, dude, fuck yeah. I'm gonna drive a lot, so fuck it. Well, dude,
Alright.
either way, you're gonna need to eat with that because you gotta serve the alcohol in that, dude.
You're so stupid. Okay, no. Sheesh. We got the first fill up of the Type R. Now, I wanted to get some in-cabin point of views for you guys, but unfortunately, since we're driving late at night, this guy's obviously really excited, but geez. We won't get too much in-cabin point of views, unfortunately.
87 is so expensive now.
Oh yeah, how much is it right now?
I don't know, 87, dude. That's all I run.
Oh, it doesn't even tell us. Sheesh. Why gas price is so expensive right now, man? That's almost $5 right there, bro. Golly. So unfortunately, yeah, for real. Unfortunately, yeah, like I said, we won't get any in-cabin point of views of him driving out tonight, so we're probably gonna end out this videos today. But I just want to really say thank you guys for all the amount of support from the last video. You guys showed so much love, the positive comments, everything, all the feedback. It actually means a lot to me. I think right now, I don't know when I post this video, we might hit 15K, but we're almost at 15K.
Real quick, please refer to the last video. Let's see one in the comments of when they guess how long it would take for it to break again.
Hey,
1 week.
No, okay,
1 week.
no. It's not broken, we just have to figure out the map sensors. But kind of reiterating back, again, thank you guys. You guys' positive comments, you guys' love, the likes, everything. It means a lot to me, and it shows that you guys have been waiting for the videos and waiting for the support. So continue to show that love. I really appreciate it with you guys, and I'm just glad to kind of be back in this grind. I know we were late this week on this video, but of course we wanted to kind of save it up for this too, to officially be back, and then also fixing the SI. With all the small problems, small electrical problems. But yeah, so we're gonna call it a night. Congratulations to Anthony on getting the Type R back. And again, guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, that. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and as always, peace.
Keep grinding and
All right, G. Let's hope it makes it home, okay?
Oh, it will. It's not a 1.5.
Oh.